Here is how to publish your game on Roblox. Publishing your game means other people can play it. So let's get started. First, you need to open the game you want to publish. For that, you need to open the Roblox Studio and then go to the game that you want to publish on your Roblox. It's a good idea to save your work, so click on the File option in the top right corner of your screen and then tap on Save to Roblox As. Since we are creating a new game, click on Create a New Game, which is highlighted in blue color. Now give your game a name, add a description, and choose the creator and compatible devices as well. There are also some other settings you can adjust. Click on Create in the bottom right corner of your screen. The game will save and may reload. You can see the indication that it has been successfully published. So go ahead, tap on View on Creator Hub, and it will open a new tab on your web browser. Go to Settings from the left-hand side of the screen and scroll down and set your privacy, either public, connections, or private. Now your game will be available to everyone on Roblox. To find your published game, you can go back to Roblox, click on your profile in the top right corner, and then click on Creations and use the arrows to find the game you just made. Now to find your published game, go back to Roblox, click on your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then you'll get the section of experiences, and now other people can also play your game. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.